lot of times when it comes to windows, there's a couple different things to think about from a warranty standpoint. So one is the most important part is not the actual window, it's the labor. Who's the company installing it? Who's installing it for them? Do they always have the same guys, or is it different companies? Are they subbing out, or are they employees? How long have they been doing windows? How do they do it? What's their process? So the install itself is the most important part about the warranty. At Fairway Exteriors, we do give a lifetime workmanship warranty in all of our windows. So if we install it wrong and anything happens due to that, we come fix it, no questions asked, install a new window, okay? So that's the most common reason why any window or any product fails is really due to the install. When it comes from a window manufacturer standpoint, most vinyl windows will give you a lifetime warranty. I'll tell you though, when you get in the fine print, like it's really not a lifetime warranty. Okay, like they're basically excluding several common things that could happen. So vinyl windows are an awesome, fantastic. If you want affordable, energy efficient white window, no design, no character, and you don't need to last 30, 40 years, it's a fantastic option. If you're gonna be in your home 30, 40 years, we normally recommend going with a fiberglass window because it's much more durable. It's gonna last the entire time you're in the house. If you think windows are expensive now, imagine what they're gonna cost in 30, 40 years. And so that's something that we see a lot of people looking at and thinking about. It's pretty rare for the manufacturer that has the same warranty as an installer because they're two different businesses, right? So like, yeah, a lot of times it can be very, very different. So at Fairway, we give lifetime workmanship warranty. We're so confident that the warranty we offer is so good, and our quality and our craftsmanship is so good that if something goes wrong, why wouldn't we fix it? Why do we tell you only get a warranty for 1 year? We do something wrong, it fails, and that's your problem. That just doesn't sit well with us. The windows that we prefer to install the most are Marvin fiberglass windows and then the Marvin fiberglass exterior wood interior. And so those windows normally come with a 10 or 20 year warranty. And so we think it's the best one on the planet. It doesn't have the longest warranty, but like I've had Marvin in my house for 20 years and it works perfectly. Kind of similar to Apple. Apple has a 1 year warranty on a product, but it works great. Like the Kia, if you're buying cars, the Kia's got a much better warranty than a Bentley or Mercedes-Benz or BMW. And so like most of these warranties are sales gimmicks. It's really more about what's the reputation, what's the quality, what are the feature benefits they put into the window to make it more durable. And it's not just, if you want to buy the best warranty, you should buy a vinyl window, which is nowhere near the best quality, best technology, best durability. And they have a ton of exclusions, but on paper, it's the longest warranty.